Chapter 4, How Bitcoin Works. So the Bitcoin blockchain is basically a live running ledger of all the Bitcoin transactions. The structure of the Bitcoin blockchain is a network of computers around the world with Bitcoin software installed on them. Each time a Bitcoin transaction occurs, the data is transferred throughout the network of computers. Computers that maintain the blockchain networks are commonly referred to as nodes. And these computers, or nodes, validate transactions, add the transactions to their copy of the ledger, and then broadcast the ledger changes to all of the other computers on the network in the form of a block. Each block of transactions has a programmed maximum amount of data it can store. So on average, every 10 minutes or so, a new block of Bitcoin transactions is created, validated, and published to the Bitcoin blockchain. So who are all these people with Bitcoin software installed on their computers around the world validating transactions, and why would they want to do this? Well, Bitcoin transactions are verified and broadcasted to the network via a process called mining, and this process is completed by miners. Miners are these people or pools of people that use computers with Bitcoin software installed on them to maintain the Bitcoin blockchain. Maintaining the blockchain involves keeping the Bitcoin transaction ledger clean, consistent, and permanent by grouping new transactions into blocks and publishing them to the rest of the network for verification. So for a new block to be accepted by the network, miners compete with each other using computing power to verify transactions in exchange for rewards. These rewards are in place to incentivize miners to participate in the mining process to ensure the Bitcoin network continues to be audited and essentially maintained. The technical details of mining are complex, so I break it down in another video guide all about mining. So without losing sight of this video, the basic concept you need to understand about Bitcoin mining is that miners are rewarded with Bitcoin each time they verify a new block of transactions. And mining rewards are a combination of newly minted Bitcoins that were not previously circulating and transaction fees of Bitcoin that were already circulating. There are existing Bitcoins currently in circulation, and there are some Bitcoin not circulating right now. Which brings us to the next chapter. Let's talk about the supply of Bitcoin.